What's the meaning of boggy? Boggy. Boggy.
Boggy. Boggy. The term boggy refers to something that is soft, moist and spongy, usually due to the presence of water. It can be used to describe muddy and swampy terrain that is difficult to walk on, or a body part that feels abnormally soft and swollen. In medicine, a boggy lesion or area may indicate an infection or inflammation. When a boggy area is pressed down, it may leave an indentation or take longer than usual to spring back into shape. Overall, the term boggy implies a sense of excessive dampness or softness that is often unpleasant or unhealthy.